Okay guys, so we got this 2012 Land Rover Range Rover, and they want me to add another key because look how beat up this key is. So we got another key here. So we're gonna turn the ignition on. There we go, it should be on. Let's go to immobilizer. Accept. Let's go to European, Land Rover. Automatic selection. See if it'll read the VIN. Let me try to prop this tool up for you guys. There you go. So we read the VIN. Okay. And we also got to cut the key for it. There we go. Let's see, remote learn. Okay. Wait, what did that say? Okay. It's going to control. Okay, add a smart key. Press the start button. There you go, I pressed it. Just turn the ignition off. There we go, ignition's off. Yes, the ignition turned on automatically. Okay. Yes. To learn smart key on your hand. Okay, there we go. So I pressed unlock. Oh, learning smart key. Okay. There we go. It beeped when I pressed the unlock button. Beeps. Had me do it twice. Why is it asking me to keep doing this? Is it stuck in a loop? Because it just had me do it 4 times. Oh, learn successful. There we go. That was odd. Never had to do one. I guess that's it. So it's I'm gonna take this out of the bag. We're gonna have to cut this key too. So we'll cut the Land Rover key too, and we'll see if this works. Oh, and look at that! Turn the ignition off. Okay, guys. So let's see if the ignition will power up with this one. Yeah, checking system. Let's try to start this. There we go. Start it up with the new one. Let's turn the ignition off. There we go. So now we'll cut this key real quick, and then we'll see if the doors work. Okay guys, since I never did a Land Rover key, let's see, let's go to Land Rover, and this is I guess this would be other. This is a 92R. I'm guessing it's a 92R. Let's go to all key blanks. Yeah, I'm guessing this is a 92R. So we're going to need the B2 clamp. So let's get the B2 clamp out and set it up. Okay guys, so I looked it up. It's actually the HU101. So I got it set up in the A clamp. We're going to decode it. So let's decode the key. Set it to the first position. Let's go. Let's let this decode. I wire brushed the key already. So just make sure it hits all the spots on there. Oh, it just broke my pick. That's crappy. I gotta put another probe on there. Okay guys, so I recalibrated the probe. I sanded this again. So we put it in. See if this time it'll decode the key or if it's gonna break my tip. So maybe there's something wrong with this. Oh my god, there's something wrong with this key. What are we gonna do? Can we take a photo of it? Because that's the second time now I broke my bit. And I'm not gonna run out of bits. Okay guys, we're gonna try to do learn by photo. Let's see, which way does this go? There we go. I'm gonna try to take a photo of this. I'm gonna have to do this without holding both devices. Okay guys, so I got it set up right here and I aligned it. Let's see if it can decode this. Oh, now we gotta move the bits. Let's see. I think we can do this. Looks like it might be slightly off, but we're pretty close to these. There we go. So I'm gonna see if I can cut this, and we'll see if it'll work. I gotta calibrate for another pick. Another probe, so I'm gonna have to save this. I'll screenshot this bitting and I'll type it all back in and then we'll try it. Okay guys, so I found out why the key kept breaking. So it's an aluminum key, so the decoder looks like it works. So I'm gonna have my friend come out. We're gonna try this because this is his mom's Land Rover and we'll see if this works. If it doesn't, we might have to like fine-tune this or something, but it looks pretty close. I just don't know about this end part right here. So we'll try that. And then I noticed like when you go to cut key as an option in here, it gives you an option for plastic aluminum key cutting. Okay guys, so the new one works. So I'm going to do a screen recording and we're going to do cutting of the new key. Okay guys, so we're going to go to cut key. We're going to click plastic/aluminum key. And we're going to press continue. Make sure there's no key in the clamp. Take away the blank. Okay, so we'll press continue. So now it's doing a bunch of checks on the clamp. Okay. Put the key. Okay. So that's what we do. I guess we line it up with the probe. And we press continue. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. There we go. So I guess that machine's based off of where you put your probe. I guess it centers it and then it goes for it. So we have no idea if this is going to work, but we do have our spare. She's not going to use the old one anymore. And then we'll have to flip this over and do the same thing on the other side. same thing again. Just going to move it into position. Let's see. Key, bus tooth. There's no keys. Oh, I don't think I had a clamp closed. That might have been why. Yeah, that's what it was. I didn't have a clamp closed. Okay, there we go. Let's click cut. And here we go. Here we go, guys. I'm going to wire brush this, and then we'll try this in the door. There we go. Look at that.